What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this knee massager. As you guys can see right here, this is the knee massager and it's wireless relaxing massage knee. And as you can see in the package right here, we have some vibration, heating, infrared and laser light, which basically come inside this package. As you guys can see right there, looking very neat. So I'm going to unbox it right now, let you guys see basically what's come inside. So as you guys can see, so this right here guys is a knee massager. Inside the package as well we have the user manual. Inside right here we have the charging cable. So inside the pack we have the Herbal knee pain relief patch. So this is one of the patch right here which come inside. As you can see, all the benefits of it right here. So as you can see, this how it look guys. This is a knee patch, so you can apply this onto your knee if you have any pain or anything like that. So basically some pain relief, and look something like this. So this is Herbal knee, and a lot of them that come inside right here. As you can see, a lot of these that you can basically use, and it had that herbal smell. So this right here basically turn it on. So inside the knee massage right here, this is how it look. We have some bit of light right here, which is the infrared light or the laser light. Inside right here is, as you can see, the infrared light right there, and right here is where we basically charge it. And right now it's on infrared, so to basically change it, we can press on this one time, lamp laser, and you're not seeing any light right here because it's basically on laser. So you can see guys, I'm gonna strap it up right now. Pull out this part right here. I'm gonna strap this part under. Strap it on right to this side. And comfortable. So it's perfectly to have your knee in this position right here whenever you're using it. So I can now turn on it right here. As you can see, guys, it's basically on right now and it's feeling very relaxing. You can see, I can feel it's basically massaging my knee right now. I can feel it on this side, I can feel it on this side as well, I can feel it in the middle. So basically doing some vibration on it. You also have infrared light, you also have laser light, which basically can control the heat as well. So you can basically go on high temperature, basically warms up your foot, give it that great massage. It's feeling really neat. So I can basically relax right here and having my knee well massaged with this device right here, which is really great in my opinion. So I can relax up my foot and have it well massaged. So guys, right now it feels very relaxing. I'm just relaxing right now, enjoying this right here, which is really great. I'm loving it. I can feel the massaging right now in my knee. And to basically turn this off, what you have to do is a long press on the power button right here, and it will turn off quite fine. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you find this video very helpful.